Okay, well, so I've got a bunch of stuff to go over. Just that I got. I got basically the most bare bones stuff for a biolab, and we're just gonna walk through it and do a little unboxing. But basically, I've wanted to do biology experiments for probably 5 years now, and it's always felt totally hopeless because reagent costs, setup costs, cleanliness, disposables. There's like the bar feels so high and so unattainable compared to like projects like this where I can just build something mechanical and 3D print it. That's like so easy to do. In comparison, biology feels very hard because to do any protocol, it seems like you need quite a lot of equipment. But now that's someone that's never even done biology saying that. So I don't know if I'm maybe making it out to be harder than it actually is. So we're just gonna go over what it is that I bought. I think I spent about $300. So $300 for all of this stuff. This is nothing. Okay, so I did have whenever someone makes one of these bill of materials, I always find it funny to see what they leave out of what they bought because it's stuff they already owned. Like for instance, we already owned this big pack of glass slides for microscopy. So I didn't need to buy this. In any case, let's move on. So the first thing that I bought, well, this isn't really the first thing I bought, but we're going in no particular order here. This is a set of graduated cylinders. I just figured I'm probably going to need to measure some liquids to some degree of precision, for making auger plates, because I think the whole point of this is we need to figure out what experiments we want to do, and that will dictate really what equipment we need to buy. And I've sort of settled on, I just want to go and culture some microbes. And that will be sort of our first, experiment, and we'll go from there. And now this is not a complete lab. We'll go over basically what I'm missing, but this should be enough to be able to grow something. But notably, what's missing currently is no centrifuge, no heat block, and no incubator. And I think bacteria just grow in whatever conditions, so I'm not convinced at the moment that an incubator is totally required. All right, so that's the first piece of equipment. And having space is also going to be important. Having the space for this is definitely a tough one. All right, so there we go. Some glassware. All right, the next thing we got is, so this microscope actually was like busted. I tried to, let's see if we can do this. Let me get out of the shot. All right. So this microscope is kind of busted. I couldn't get it to focus at all. So the next thing that I got this on sale for $78 or something. Let me turn down my mic up just a tiny bit. Okay. All right, so we're gonna unbox this microscope. See what it is. Okay, so some sort of bag. I don't know what that's about. Okay, a phone mount. This is going to be, I think, one of the most important things that I have, because for me, I mean, I didn't go with the like $300 Amscope one or whatever. I went with the cheapest I could get. But anyways, this is a phone mount, and I guess it's basically just a set screw with a swivel type of thing. I don't know what this hole is. Anyways, a real cheap plastic part that I probably could have, I don't know, but it's injection molded, so it's strong enough. This will be good. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, cool. So it came with some little doodickies and doodads and things. I don't even know what this is. So we got like I don't even know what that is. Okay, we got a little bit of tweezers if we want to like take a little piece of leaf or skin or whatever. Thing looks like a little straw or some sort. Or no, it's actually a needle. I don't know why we have a needle here. But we have a needle. It's not really well, I don't know if it's a needle or not. It looks like a needle. Alright, a whole bunch of random stuff. And then, okay, here's something that I saw that in 7 cover glasses. Alright, whatever. A whole bunch of doodads, little pipettes or something. I don't know. What is this? Whatever. We'll learn what this is all about. Okay. Alright, now the real thing. Okay, we got a big manual. Got a manual, that's nice. Okay. I need a knife. Where's my knife? What the hell? Whatever, we're gonna use some calipers for this. Okay. Yo. Oops. Oh, they gave us not slides. They gave us microscope slice. Oh, you can't read it. It says slice on it. I don't know what a slice is. All right. Oh, here we go. Okay, so they give us one of these things, too. A bag for it. So we can, like... Oh, it stinks, man. It smells really bad. We can put that over that. So I guess that's all for, like, care. They gave us a little shutter, which is interesting. And then a cleaner. Alright, and then here, I guess, are the lenses. These are kind of the important bits. And then a power cable. Alright, so let's just take this here. What is it powered on? 5 volts, 2 amps. It's about what I expected, honestly. Okay. Cable's a little short, but we could find another 5 volt 2 amp thing if we really needed to. Okay. What is that, a place for batteries? Okay, it looks like it's on. This is the focus? Oh wait, there's 2 focuses, I guess. Okay, alright. Let's, I don't know what this paper is for. Alright, let's look at the manual. What does the manual say? Well, actually, I want to... Oh, cool. Okay, so they're like... They gave us a couple of slides and then a couple of little cool things to look at. Housefly. Alright. So I think I need to take this little thing off, right? Okay, let's see if we can get this in focus. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so the next step is clearly... Where did I put that old phone? I had an old... Well, let me just use my phone. Where's my phone? Oh, okay. I gotta go grab... Alright, let's do the rest of the unboxing, and then we're gonna get this thing up on stream. Then we'll be set up to, like, do stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to... So wait, hold on. So what does this do? What? What do the 1, 2, 3s do? Alright, and then let's go... Okay, so now we want to drop it down, right? Oh, I get it. Okay. Let's drop it way down. Alright, maximum magnification. I don't know if I'm looking at it right. Let's go to the other one. The medium 10x lens. There we go. Wow. Alright, that's pretty cool. Yeah, but you see, the thing about the microscope is, like, I don't even know why they sell microscopes with the eyepiece. I don't even want it with the eyepiece. I just want to control it all remotely. Alright, so cool. So we got a bunch of cool stuff to look at on stream. Just exciting stuff. Okay, on to the next set of things. So, I bought this. It's a box of 1mm tips, and it comes with the box. And I think what you do is you use these, but first you put the box in with the tips in it into an autoclave. So, and these tips are interesting because these have little filters in them. I don't know if I'm allowed to take it out. Maybe I know I can open them, but can you see that there's little filters in here? Anyway, so that's that. I think more tips are coming too. I think I bought like 500 tips. All right, so that's that. So we have the tips. All right. Oops. Yeah, this thing keeps coming out on me, and it's like really annoying. Okay, so I gotta be honest. This I was not sure if I needed or not. But they're inoculation loops, and I think that they're autoclavable. So I should be able to clean these and reuse them. Oh shit. Well, something's broken in here. There's broken glass in here. No, it's plastic. Whatever. It's just a little holder. I don't really care. I'm not gonna argue about it. So you could use a freaking paperclip for all I care. But yeah, they both got cracked somehow. So this thing went under some pressure. All right, but what I do want to do is I want to pull them out and just like get a sense for what it is I do with these things, because I have no idea what this is. Okay, it's threaded on the end. Okay, you take one of these loops, I think. And I don't even know how you're supposed to... I guess what you do is you have to put it in. Okay, so it tightens... It's like a tiny little 3-jaw chuck. Wow, that's... Ooh, I already bent this thing. Okay. It's like a very small 3-jaw chuck. So let's loosen it up. Okay. More. There we go. Okay, so now it's tight on there. Now you do your painting or whatever. I don't know about these. I really don't know if that was a purchase that I needed to make. In retrospect. Okay, this I'm almost positive I needed. It's a bunch of beakers. It's a set of beakers. I think I'm going to... And they came with a stir bar, but I don't even have a hot plate. So, you know, because I don't think I need a hot plate yet. I think I'll need a hot plate later, but I don't think I need a hot plate yet. So these beakers are going to go somewhere. What I'm hoping to do... Do you guys see that shelf with the canopy on it? That shelf is my next target for filling with equipment, because it would be really nice to have all of my tools go there. The glassware here. Box. Alright. Ooh, that's a tripping hazard for sure. Okay. So let's turn this thing off. So I guess we need to turn it off, and then I guess what you need to do is you just always put this bag over the lens, and then you put this over here like this. So now it's protected and secure. Alright, the next thing is... I forget what this is. Oh yeah. Alright, so I am now the proud owner of a pipette. It's a 1 mil pipette, or what is it called? P1000. It's a P1000. Alright, cool. They give you a little sheet that says how accurate it is. So it did some quality control. carbon monoxide, right?
Well, it creates carbon monoxide, but it also, they're two-stroke engines. They don't burn very clean. There's a lot of unburned.
We're back on to setting up the biolab. Okay. All right. So the next thing that I got was, and I thought that I bought some disposable ones, but I only bought glass ones, I guess. But it's some borosilicate petri dishes. Now I guess I did in high school, but I've never really worked with petri dishes before. But I guess what is it? Is this the 90 millimeter or is this the 90 millimeter? How do they rate it? How are they designed? That's my question. Alright. Wait, did I zero? Zero. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, so it's... I don't know why... This one has the paper on it. I guess that's because it's only for transport. It's not like a sterility thing. Anyway, so I got 5 petri dishes, so we can do 5 samples at a time. I actually want to do a control sample where I just take 1 or 2 of them, fill them with agar, leave them out to the open air, and see if they grow. Because I just don't know. Okay, so we're done with the glassware. Okay, back to it. All right. So yeah, so the first two reagents that I'm buying is basically just LB broth and agar. And I heard that you need to mix both of these into a solution, and then you heat it up, and then you pour that into a petri dish. So I would like to do that right now, because I think I have time. Okay, and now we have an empty box. And then I don't know about styrofoam. Styrofoam's no good, yo. Okay, so let's just hop in and see what it takes to make some agar plates. Basically, you gonna put those in there?
Oh, I didn't wear.
Aren't these? Oh no, I thought that those were the.
No. Maddie wanted one.
Oh, okay. All right. So. Alright, so I'm like so in over my head right now. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. Let's just close everything. Okay. Fire. Oops. Not that. This. Alright. Okay, so what are we doing here? We want to say how to make agar plate, or let's go to, yeah, this has got to be a good video.
Hello everyone, welcome to RBI.
Is it different?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dominique Leray, and today, or in this video, we are going to be trying my hand at my first DIY at home.
Why don't I just ask ChatGPT? I kind of want to watch that video. This is totally the type of video that I want to watch. Do they make other videos? Lab and lifestyle. Getting engaged. Oh wow. These medical laboratory. That's cool, man. All right, I have LB. Let's just talk to it. I have LB broth. I have agar, which who knows what the heck that is. And then I have some petri dishes, and I also have graduated cylinders and some beakers. I don't know anything about biology, but I want to make some agar plates. And in the end, basically what I want to do right now is I don't have an incubator. I'll say that right now. But I want to grow some random bacteria from my yard, basically. And then also have a control just to see if just the air is contaminated enough, the open air is contaminated enough to grow something onto the agar plates. But I don't even know how to pour. I know you have to like mix them together and heat them up or something, but I have no idea. All right, sick. Random bacteria can be in an excellent way. Okay. Petri dishes, graduated cylinder beakers, a heat source, stovetop, microwave. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the microwave. Gloves, mask. Okay, so wait, where did my gloves go? All right, so I have a box of gloves here. All right, check the agar to liquid ratio on your agar powder's packaging. 15 grams agar per liter of liquid. Okay, wait, so I have 5 90 millimeter plates, and let's see. The LB broth says 25 grams per liter, Heat if necessary to dissolve the medium completely. Mix well. Dispense in tubes or flasks as desired. Sterilize by autoclaving it. Wait, what does it mean sterilize by autoclaving at 15 pounds pressure for 15 minutes? What does that mean? Like, I don't know what that means. Anyways, I think I can kind of ignore that. Okay, and then on the auger, it says resulting in a smooth, strong gel that's ready to be infused with the nutrients of your choosing. The neutral pH and high gel strength make it the ideal choice for cultivating pure, clear Petri dishes. Simply dissolve 1.5 grams powder on top of the nutrients of your choice in 100 milliliters distilled water. So I guess, yeah, it's the standard. And then it says autoclave. You have to autoclave the solution. So since I really don't care about purity, can I just forego that, and when I microwave it, assume that that's good enough? And it says autoclave the solution at 121 Celsius for 15 minutes and pour into Petri dishes. Watch as it solidifies to a clear tan shade. Okay, so those are the instructions for the 2 reagents. Alright, sounds like you're doing... Wait, I have 5 90 millimeter plates. So I would like you to do the math to calculate how much liquid I should make and how much by weight of each I need. Okay, I think it makes sense to buy a scale. I'm realizing this now. But I was shopping for scales and I... Okay. We'll make... Okay. Wait, 25 grams of this LB broth? What? Oh, per liter. Oh, it's doing the math right here. All right, so we need... Okay, so I have like a standard kitchen scale that's not very accurate. Typically, if I want to like... what kind of scale, if I'm not trying to break my budget, because I'm really hamstringing together this biology lab. Hamstringing. What kind of precision should I look for? I remember people were saying something like a 0 to 50 gram with 3 digits of precision might be good. Hello? What the hell? Hello? .01. See, but like this one, this is sweet. 50 grams at 3 digits. I don't know. All right. So, I'm just going to go get the scale we have, but I guess I'm going to go get my phone and buy a scale. I mean, this seems like a good idea, right? Honestly, I feel like you can fudge these numbers like crazy. I mean, this is crazy cheap. It's kind of wild how cheap that is. I mean, when are you gonna... I just can't imagine, when is it that you're gonna need a scale? Like, I feel like I'm just gonna get this, because it's like... But then what do I get to measure it on it? Oh, I guess it comes with a little thing to zero it or something? I opened this link 3 times. That's funny. Okay, I want to do the fun stuff. All right, so we're gonna use our. Okay, so I'm gonna go and open up these bad boys. Okay, I'm gonna use this to get 100 milliliters of liquid, and then I'm gonna get the kitchen scale. And unfortunately, we don't have a little thing to zero it. What do you typically use to put the powder onto? Because you can't put it directly onto the scale. I just have a standard kitchen scale, by the way. Oh, I don't have like a spatulas. I just realized I kind of need spatulas, right? I'll use just a normal. Wait, hold on. Both LB and Auger are totally safe to eat, right? Meaning, if I use my silverware. In a more standard lab, what kind of equipment do you use to weigh boats, spatulas? Let's look up lab spatulas. See, this is why it's fun to get started, or this is why it's good to get started, because... Oh yeah, there you go. We'll just get that. A set of these. Oh, but see, this disposable is also kind of nice, right? I'm going to get this for sure. So, there we go. So, we get that. All right, so we have to get 2 more things, so that increases our total... Okay, let's see. We are going to go... Okay. Okay, let's just mark it down. So we got the so wait, hold on. We want to put this in here. Oh wait, actually I like doing this. But this is the product ID. But okay, so wait. This is to purchase. It's that. This is a scale. Okay, spatulas. Okay, and then what do they put them onto? Ugh, I hate this extra links. Okay. I thought I did have all of this, but I don't want to like. Okay. Yeah. So we got this. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. We need to figure out how to store all this stuff too, but yeah, it'll be okay. Okay, what else do we buy? Okay, the LB broth. I'll fix that later. Yeah, about this. Okay, P1000. Okay, what else did I get? I got the tips, microscope. Okay, I just wanted to log the 2 purchase. I don't really care about this because I can do this later, even though, whatever. All right. So, I'll get a small. Oh yeah, and then we need like what did it say? Weigh boats or papers? What papers? Weighing papers? Cellulose. I mean, do I really need that? That seems very, very superfluous. Especially if the scale comes with a little thing. I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, so let's just go get the scale and a spoon. And I guess I'm going to put the gloves on soon. Just going to open this stuff up. All right, hell yeah. 100 milliliters of water. And I guess, is that true? When I add the stuff to 100 milliliters of liquid, if it all dissolves, does the volume not increase? Wow, that's wild. Okay, wait. So then now tell me the whole protocol. Okay, here we go. I don't have distilled water, but I have reverse osmosis water. Oh, the disposal is tough. It's like, because the only sink I really have access to is like is my kitchen in the bathroom. All right, I think we should instead. I mean, as much as I want to use the graduated cylinder, I think I'm just going to use just do it all in a beaker. Like, there's no way this needs to be that precise. It's been so long since I've done chemistry. I guess parchment paper would work. Microwave the mixture in short bursts. Oh, you know what I should get? I should also get some glass stir rods, right? 3 pack 6 inches, 12 inches. In some way, the shorter ones are actually nice, isn't it? Like this is kind of nice because then you get a set. Storing this is going to be such a mess. This is basically like cooking. It's quite literally the same thing. I'll probably get this. Because then I get a sampler of lengths. No, you know what? I'll get this. $9 for 8 pieces. Just kind of nice to get that many. Okay. Is it glass or is it bicarbonate? What is it made of? Solid glass. Not that I know what the hell bicarbonate means. Trying to use big words to trick you all into thinking I know what the heck I'm doing. Okay. So, alright. So I'm just gonna assume everything's sterile, which is probably the stupidest thing I could do. This is too big. Okay, so we got a 100 milliliter thing. And then we're gonna go get the kitchen scale. So we just gotta fill this up with water, come back here. Oh no, I guess I'm gonna go do that out there. See, that's the problem is, if I don't have a microwave in here, it's not on stream. And I feel like that's gonna be a pretty big part of this thing. Cause, I could just boil it too, huh? Okay, so wait. Heat the solution until the okay, then we're gonna like run back in here. Oh yeah, see not having a sink is, I guess, the biggest thing that's going to make this really a pain. Okay, sampling from the yard. Cotton swabs. All right, so I'll bring a Sharpie with me. Does Sharpie work? Yeah, okay. Oh, I guess I need to bring them out there. Is it possible that we would observe competition if I put 2 samples on the same plate? Oh, dude. Okay, so one of them has to be, we take 2 different samples. Okay, and then, Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna do this. I'm gonna just go on a run because I gotta. Anyway, so we got it started and we know what's happening tomorrow. All right, short stream. All right, peace out. Yeah, that was fun. I know what to do now.